Welcome, everyone. This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. Now this comes provided with the device in the box, so you can find it somewhere in there. But you can also use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. It should work just as well. So from here you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see right now where the pin is holding. From here, push it in, the tray pops out, and once you take it out, you have space for one SD card, there we go, one SD card and two different SIM cards. So place them accordingly, make sure that they're laying flush on the tray. And from there, while holding them securely so they don't fall out, because there's nothing holding them, I'm gonna slide it back into the device, like so. And we should be then stopped with the pin. There we go, there's a pin for the SIM card, so that is working fine. And SD card is working also, as you can see right here. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.